Lecture 15 was explanation of basic terminology regarding what is a blockchain use case. Now in lecture 16, we will look at categorization of blockchain use cases.
Oh, there are categories also in blockchain use
Yeah,
cases?
actually, we couldn't, while we were going through the material online and everywhere, we couldn't get a standard set of categories of blockchain use cases, and we thought that we should make something useful, and actually, that is how this course has evolved.
Oh.
So, this course was we were trying to hunt, as to where is blockchain used. We kept on surfing and going online and doing searches, but we couldn't get one place where all entire use cases were listed. So we thought that let's make our own category and also develop a course. And that is how this particular categories have evolved. So
That's really good.
yeah, so let's look at these categories here. So did you know in government on public sector there are so many use cases?
No, this is something so surprising.
So just look at the list. Like identity management, like Aadhaar card that is used in India, or maybe the identity values like a passport and other things. Those documents can be managed using blockchain. Law enforcement,
Okay.
maintain all the criminal records, forensic data. Defense, legal, smart cities, public transportation, environment, cybersecurity, and even firearms.
Oh,
So, I mean, there's a big list of government. There are many more which we have not listed here.
this would be so helpful for government.
Exactly. Then even the basically the idea of using blockchain took a major wave in the fintech sector, where the focus was on banking, trade finance, lending, mortgage, insurance, and crowdfunding. Then there's another category like manufacturing, supply chain, and logistics. So basically, in manufacturing, then the automotive industry, even aviation, supply chain, and logistics. There's a logistics consortium we are going to speak about later. The trucking industry, the retail industry, apparel tracking, fashion, diamond provenance, floral supply chain, agriculture, food chain, in dairy, and in the automatic car system.
I really never knew that there were so many blockchain use cases
There
which were
were,
possible.
and there are some more. You just wait and see what else is there. In the services sector, we have blockchain use cases for healthcare, telecom industry, energy, education, e-commerce, marketing and advertising, human resource management, real estate management, entertainment, art and music, book publishing, charity, and even car leasing and ride sharing.
I think we have come to the end of types of use cases.
No, there's a few more. Just have a look at this, and this may be interesting to you. There's a miscellaneous category we thought of coming up with in terms of sports, gaming, that is the online gaming, virtual reality, and even social media.
Oh my god, I never knew about so many types.
So here we are going to present to you in our entire course the plethora of blockchain use cases in terms of the categories of the government and the public sector, the fintech domain, manufacturing, supply chain and logistics, services domain, and a miscellaneous category. And this is something which is going to tell you as to where you can use blockchain and reap its benefits.
So I'm awaiting for your next lectures. It's going to be really interesting.
Yeah, where we open up with the first set and go step by step into every blockchain use case with a few examples of where they are deployed and plus the actual use case as to how it would work in that particular domain. So after looking at the categorization of blockchain use cases in lecture 16, we have here focused in section 5 on introduction to what is the blockchain use case and categorization of use cases. Now in the next section we will focus on finance.